20 years ago. In my time, even the exam was postponed, and it was not postponed by 3 months or 6 months, it was postponed by the whole year. Only one thing can happen is that your score will improve. Hello students, I'm Dr. Punit Bhojani, the OG Guru, and I'm sure by now all of you have got the breaking news that the NEET PG is postponed. Okay, so like any Bollywood thriller or a crime mystery or a murder mystery, there's a plot twist, kahani mein twist, and the exam gets postponed. Now there's only one option. Basically, take this as an opportunity and you have to make this count. So for the students who were wishing, I wish exam 1 month postpone ho jayega, exam 2 months, 3 months, your wish has been granted. So those who are wanting for the exam to get delayed, please focus on your weaker subjects first. No wasting time, only take 1 day as a break maximum and start studying. Focus on your weaker subjects first, and then also side by side make your stronger subjects still stronger. And trust me students, 6 months is a good enough time even if you are beginning your preparation. It's a really great opportunity for students who had very hectic internship and were not getting time the last year for whatever reasons. Please pull up your socks, and this is your time to rise and shine. Stay extremely focused, stay extremely motivated, and start studying, and you can definitely achieve your dreams. For those who are almost very well prepared and wanting to give a crack at the exam, I know this is a very tough time. 20 years ago, in my time, even the exam was postponed, and it was not postponed by 3 months or 6 months, it was postponed by the whole year. And I also kept the motivation going. Of course, there will be frustration, but do not waste any time. No chilling sessions, no Netflix, no time pass, and please remain very much focused. Take it as an opportunity, like a slog overs in cricket. Only one thing can happen is that your score will improve. So either ways, when the students have got time, those who are well prepared, their score will also improve. If you were thinking of getting in top 5,000, now is a chance to get into top 2,000. Those who are thinking of getting into top 2000, crack into the top 1000. And those who are just even imagining that I cannot even qualify NEET PG, this is your golden opportunity that you will qualify for the NEET PG by doing very well. All of you have to take this as an opportunity and do not waste any time. Please don't think that I will do some part-time job or I will focus more on my internship. No, do not waste any time. Time is really crucial. I was also doing the same thing when the exam got postponed. As I said, 20 years ago, 20 साल पहले, 20 साल के बाद वही कहानी फिर से repeat हो रही है. Exam was postponed. I also really depressed and frustrated, mainly frustrated for few days, and then I also got into the action. Of course, I was during my time I was one of the toppers in the exam and got my dream branch of OBGY into one of the best colleges in India. So all of you need to stay motivated. We are here to help you, guide you, and remember students, stay hungry and your dreams are waiting to be achieved. And remember, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. So wishing you all the best. Let's make maximum use of this time, and please see this as an opportunity where your dreams can be achieved for sure. And I have confidence in all of you that all of you will really do very well in your exams. Best of luck.